So now we are able to save all the information on database. Now we will need more functionality for admin, so that admin can log in from his username password, and that will be private. Okay. And user admin will be able to fetch all the information related to the bookings. Okay, so we will ask ChatGPT to create a login screen first. Login screen for with email password hard coded. So we can create a new activity. It will be admin login. So here we can add on home on first screen. The first screen is this one. Here we can edit the data. Welcome. Click below for bookings. Okay, and here we will have one more button for admin login. Okay, so we will copy the XML code from here. So this is admin login, and copy it. So here it was admin login activity. Okay, and we will create a admin dashboard activity. Okay, so here new activity, finish. Get all data from room db and show on in form of list. Okay, so here it will provide how to get all the data from room db. Okay, so we will create a query here. So open the DAO class and paste it here. Okay, next is okay, copy it and paste it on here. Okay, no need to add it, just remove it. Next is user adapter. Okay, so here we can add one more package, admin. and drag it inside admin to make it clean. Okay, inside admin we can add one more class, user adapter, copy it, and we need to add user item also. Okay, so this is the user item. So resources, layout, new, layout, new, layout resource file. Okay, here you can copy the code and paste it here. Now the issue resolved here, and we need to create a recycler view on admin dashboard. So we will tell ChatGPT that you haven't provided me code for recycler view, so it will provide accordingly. Yeah, so you can copy it, just paste it here, and you can provide a layout manager here. Yeah, that's it. User adapter. Yeah, I think we haven't copied the code correctly, so here we will have two parameters, and run it. So it should show a list of bookings on admin dashboard activity. So we need to launch admin dashboard activity on click of the button on home screen. Okay, so here we will paste the same thing, and the button name will be admin login. Okay, now we can launch it again. Here two screens, both buttons has overlapped, so we can put it below it and run it again. Yeah, now click here. Email can be anything, so let's make the email also private. So admin login activity should be inside admin. Okay, so admin login should be admin at example.com. Okay, password. So there are three data we can see on our database as well. There are three data here, so we are able to fetch all the data. Now we can add more information here like email ID and check-in and check-out date.